So we are about to start the New Year's ride for Houston. We do this every year. It's always a big ride, big turnout, and today is an especially large turnout. We got some Grammies. I wish I was recording. There's a guy who literally is running from the state troopers right now, and he literally brought the state trooper all the way through the fucking crowd, and then he just took off that way. Now we got HPD over here, so this is going to be pretty fun. Not condoning to run from the police, but that was just funny. Got some stunt bikes out, got a lot of sport bikes, got HPD out. You're gonna come through this way. Got a lot of sport bikes out. HPD, yes sir. Yeah. So we're getting pushed out. We're getting pushed out. My buddy Alex is over there. They can't stop all of us. There's my buddy Alex over there. Sexy ass R7. Huh? Probably towards the middle. My buddy Alex's big ass fucking get this shit, let's go. I'm gonna get all these bikes actually. Hell yeah. Alright. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh, that BMW looking clean. The Gixxer, sexy. All these bikes. Oh yeah. Dude, it's freaking. Gonna be a sick ass turnout. Stop. Let let me stop revving my bike. Oh my god. Talking about today is actually so perfect. The weather is splendid. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's just perfect riding weather for this ride, man. It really is. Get this shit started. Hell yes, let's go. Oh, let's go. Looks like we got a new route for this year. This is fucking awesome, baby. I gotta get more, that Beamer. I gotta get more GoPro batteries because every single ride I go to, I'm having to like press my button and turn it off and then start recording again. What is going on here? Someone crashed? Oh, fuck, did he crash?